Are your Amazon ads suspended and you need to get them reinstated? Let me show you how to get them reinstated in today's video. And if you stay till the end, I'll also give you a special tip on Amazon ads reinstatement. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so first you need to actually find out if your ads are suspended. To check if your ads are suspended, you're gonna log into Amazon Sellers Central, and then you're gonna go into your campaign manager. It's gonna look something like this. If you click on this bell, it'll say that your ads are suspended, or if you're not spending any money, then your ads are suspended, or you can also check your campaign. So you're gonna click on one of your campaigns, you're gonna click on products, and then it's going to say not approved, like it says right here, status not approved. So now you know that your ads are actually suspended, they're not working, and now it's time to fix it. Step one is to contact Amazon support, and not just any regular support, you're gonna contact Amazon advertising support. So in the advertising campaign manager, you're going to click this question mark, there's a help button, and then you simply click contact us. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page, and then you put in the issue that your ads are not spending money, they're blocked, whatever, it's not active, and you open up a case with them. So let's do that right now. We're going to do performance and optimization, topic, no or low impressions or clicks, and then you can chat with them. And I do recommend you chat with them so you can try to get actual information, put in this data, and then you're going to ask Amazon, hey, what is the reason why I'm not able to run ads? And they're going to say, oh, you're violating a policy. Ask them, what's the policy and what is the exact keyword that caused this, right? So one of our keywords for one of our clients is enhancement and libido. They said if we removed enhancement and libido from the title, they would reinstate it. So sometimes if you get the good rep, they're actually going to tell you the exact reason why you were removed from Amazon ads. Sometimes it takes a while to get to the right rep. Sometimes you have to figure it out yourself. But that's step one. Step two is going to be implementing the changes that they suggested. So like I said, once we got a good rep, they told us exactly what was wrong, which was the title. It had the word enhancement in it and libido. So then we removed those, we edited the listing, we removed those, we waited for it to actually be removed on Amazon. So we waited, and once it was finally removed, which usually takes 24 hours, then we contacted Amazon support again on the same case log and say, hey, as you can see in the last case log, you said we need to remove these, we removed them. Please reinstate our ads. Now you're going to continue to do the previous steps over and over again until you finally get reinstated. Sometimes Amazon, what they do is they say, oh, it's enhancement, and then it's libido, and then you contact again, and now it's something else as well. So now you have, maybe you can't have vitality now for some reason. So now they keep adding to it. So you have to keep repeating this process, and then you'll finally get it reinstated, which usually takes 7 to 14 days. And if you follow those tips, you will get your Amazon ads reinstated. Now, since you spent your time to watch this video and you got to the end, I'm gonna be giving you some secrets to help this. So one thing that we do to get the ads reinstated as quickly as possible is we called it a listing revamp. So we look at all of Amazon's policies, and what we do is we clean the listing. So any keywords that might be marked as an adult, or anything that, something that children cannot use, or something that has to do with adult products like libido, enhancement, right? Anything that has to do with drugs, we're gonna just completely scrap it. We're gonna remove it from the listing. We're gonna remove all of the images except for the first image, remove the brand story, remove the A+ content, get the ads reinstated. So that's the fastest way to get the ads reinstated. Once the ads are reinstated, then you're going to follow this process. It's a 2-week process. So day one, you're gonna change the first, if you did change the first image, you're gonna change the first image back, and then you're gonna wait 3 days. You're gonna wait 3 days and see if your Amazon ads are still running. If they're still running, you're gonna proceed to the next one, is you're gonna change your secondary images back, right? You're gonna wait 3 days, and then you're gonna change your title back, wait 3 days, see if the ads are still running, and then you're going to change the bullet point back, wait 3 days, and so on. So it's a very slow change. If you do a big change at once, what happens is a red flag goes off in Amazon's system, and they usually just turn off your ads right away again. So you don't want to get reinstated and turned off right away. You want to make gradual changes. Also, on top of that, if you can contact Amazon and you can figure out the exact keywords that were the original issue, in this case it was libido and enhancement, you can find the actual issue, just don't add those keywords back in. If you don't know what keywords it is, try to take your best guess which items are considered drugs, prescription drugs, or something that it doesn't do with adults. You can also check your competitors, so you can do an Amazon ad search and see which competitors are running sponsored ads and what keywords they're using, so you can use them as reference. I hope this helps you in today's video, and if you did like this video and you learned something new, drop a like, drop a subscribe. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. If you need help selling on Amazon, this is exactly what we specialize in. Talk to you soon.